Hey there everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve 46 squared in this simple trick I just discovered. Follow me as I show you how. So we take our first digit, which is 4. 4 squared gives us 16. So we write 16 here. And the next thing, we take 6. 6 squared gives us 36. So we combine 36 with 16. What we are going to do again is multiply 4 by 6 and by the exponent 2. So what I mean is 4 times 6, which gives us 24, by the exponent 2, which gives us 48. So we can write 48 here and add a 0 to the end and sum it up. 6 plus 0 gives us 6. 3 plus 8 gives us 11. So we write 1 and carry 1 here. 6 plus 4 is 10. Plus this one, we get 11. So we carry 1 here as well. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we can conclude that 46 squared is 2116. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.